Artificial intelligence, AI. You have heard the buzz, you have seen the headlines. But do you really know how it's changing the game? Whether you are a small business owner, an industry leader, or an aspiring entrepreneur, the impact of AI is inevitable. The question isn't if AI will disturb your business, it's when. And more importantly, are you ready? In today's rapidly evolving world, AI isn't just a fancy tech term. It's a powerful force reshaping industries and challenging the status quo. AI is no longer confined to research labs or tech giants. From retail to healthcare, finance to manufacturing, every sector is experiencing a wave of transformation driven by AI. Let's take a closer look at how AI is disrupting traditional businesses, the challenges it presents, and how you can adapt and leverage this revolutionary technology for growth. Let's see the impact of AI on key industries. First, retail. Personalized experiences at scale. AI has revolutionized retail by offering personalized shopping experiences at an unexpected scale. Think of recommendations engines on platforms like Amazon and Netflix. These are not just fancy algorithms. They are AI models crunching vast amount of data to understand customer preferences, predict future behavior, and increase sales. Traditional brick and mortar stores are now integrating AI-powered inventory management, smart shelves, and even chatbots to improve customer service and operational efficiency. Second, finance. From fraud detection to algorithmic trading. In finance, AI is the backbone of high frequency trading, predictive analytics, and fraud detection. Algorithms can analyze market trends, make decisions faster than any human, and execute trades in microseconds. Banks are using AI to automate process, personalize customer interactions, and enhance risk management. Traditional financial institutions that are slow to adapt risk being outspaced by fintech companies that are already leveraging AI to provide faster, cheaper, and more customer friendly services. Third, healthcare, precision medicine, and predictive analysis. AI is transforming healthcare by enabling more practice diagnostics, personalized treatments, and predictive analytics. From AI powered image that detects disease earlier than human doctors to robotic surgeries surprises the enhanced precision. The impact is profound. Startups are using AI to analyze patient data, predict outbreaks, and even develop new drugs. Traditional healthcare providers must now rethink their approach, embracing AI driven solutions to remain competitive and improve patient outcomes. Fourth, supply chain and logistics. AI is streamlining supply chain management through real time analytics, demand forecasting, and route optimization. Compromising companies like UPS and FedEx are using AI to predict the best delivery routes, reducing fuel consumption and enhancing efficiency. AI driven demand forecasting helps companies manage inventory more effectively, reducing waste and ensuring products are where they need to be and when they need to be. Number 5, marketing and customer services. AI is also redefining how businesses engage with customers. Chatbots and virtual assistants are taking over customer service role, providing 24/7 support and freeing up human agents for more complex tasks. AI-powered analytics tools can predict customer behavior, personalize marketing campaigns, and optimize ad spending, making traditional marketing methods seem obsolete. Now let's see the challenges and risks involved in AI adoption. While AI offers immense opportunities, it also presents significant challenges. Number 1, data privacy and security. The more data you collect, the greater the risk of breaches. Business need to ensure robust security measures to protect sensitive information. Second, skill gap. There's a growing demand for AI talent, and many traditional businesses are struggling to keep up. Investing in training and hiring AI experts is essential. Third, ethical concerns. From biased algorithms to job displacement, AI comes with ethical considerations that business must address. Number 4, integration cost. It involves rethinking processes, retaining staff, and sometimes completely overflooding existing systems. Let's see how business can adapt and leverage AI. Number 1, invest in AI literacy and thinking. The first step is education. Businesses should invest in AI literacy for their workforce. This doesn't mean everyone needs to become a data scientist, but understanding AI capabilities and limitations is crucial. Number 2, start small with AI pilot projects. Don't try to overhaul everything at once. Start with small pilot projects where AI can make a significant impact. For example, you might start with AI driven customer service chatbots or predictive analytics in marketing. Number 3, leverage data analytics. Data is the fuel that powers AI. Ensure your business is collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data effectively. Leverage AI tools to draw insight from your data that can drive decision making. Number 4, partner with AI experts and startups. Collaborate with AI experts or partner with startups that specialize in AI solutions relevant to your industry. This can accelerate your AI adoption process and help you avoid common pitfalls. Number 5, focus on AI-driven customer experience. Use AI to enhance customer experience from personalized recommendations to AI-powered customer support. Focus on how AI can help you serve your customer better. Number 6, Adapt to AI driven business models. Finally, consider how AI can redefine your business model. Can you offer AI powered products or services? Are the opportunities for new revenue streams driven by AI? Embrace the flexibility to adapt and innovate. In conclusion, AI is not just another technological trend, it's a paradigm shift. Businesses that embrace AI will have a competitive advantage, while those that ignore it may find themselves left behind. The future of AI is not about replacing humans, but augmenting human capabilities, driving innovation, and unlocking new possibilities. So, are you ready to leverage AI to transform your business? The time to act is now. Embrace AI and let it be the catalyst that propels your business into the future. Remember, AI is the ultimate game changer. The only question is, will you be the disruptor or the disrupted? The choice is yours. So that's all from my side. If you learned something from this video, do hit the like button. For more such content, do subscribe us and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.